the Passover night, the night in which we have heard the Israelites got their freedom from slavery. When Joseph came to Egypt, his brothers and all the Israelites came into Egypt. There they worked and they enjoyed their stay. But we also heard how when Joseph had gone and the new Pharaoh came, he said, these people are becoming very strong. Let's destroy them. So the firstborn were taken away. But we know how Moses was there. Then now he is bringing them out of the land. And we have heard how God meticulously got them a ritual by which they would do this. And then on the door lintel and doorpost, they would smear the blood of the lamb, and then the plague would pass away and they would not be destroyed. Now their journey begins after 430 years. They're getting out. 600,000 men. So just imagine what a big crowd. And to know that there will be definitely more men, more women and children, plus the flock. Can you just imagine how the whole group now is moving out from this land of Egypt into freedom? Where are they going? They're going out into the wilderness, the desert. Can you imagine that? What is there in the desert for the flock and other things? There's nothing. Those of you who have been in the Gulf area know what it is to walk in the sand. And God is going to take care of them.